Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna show you how to do this and how to export this to what they call it, transparent video like. Here I have the background and here I have this one. So here I have done it like so. So there you do it if you really have, if you have if you really had a mask ready on this, so you don't have to do anything. You have to do, if you have doing mask circle or a square or something, you have done it and you do it. Then all you need to do is choose where you want to put it. I choose here and choose what it. Then you go to here to video, then you go to coding and you choose QuickTime here, then choose QuickTime animation, QuickTime here, and then we have done it. If you have any others, I should make same here. You have to not change there. So anything the only thing you have to change is then you render this animation and you get this kind of animation like so. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question about this, because this is very difficult to get through on. So if this is a newer version, Blender 5.0, so I try to update so I can do it. So please, if you have any question, I will answer it in the comment.